Hi, this is Randy Wykoff, the Dean of the College of Public Health at East Tennessee State University, and I'm pleased to share this week's update on the COVID-19 pandemic. This is as of May 31st, 2020. At this point, virtually every country in the world, at least every one that reports, has reported one or more deaths from COVID-19. We started these reports in the middle of April. At that time, there had been 165,000 deaths around the world. Every week, that number has continued to grow, such that by this week, there's over 370,000 deaths, more than doubled just in the past 7 weeks, and over 6 million confirmed cases. Though, as I've pointed out before, I don't really pay much attention to confirmed cases because that really is dependent on how much testing is done in a particular country. We've also been following the same number, the deaths in the United States. When we started 7 weeks ago, it was 45,000. In the ensuing weeks, it has grown considerably. And famously, this week, the U.S. has passed 100,000 deaths and has the most confirmed cases of any country in the world. I do like to follow the Worldometer statistic, particularly deaths per million, because that tells you how much a disease is impacting a country. And I think deaths are a more reliable statistic than cases. If you look at deaths per million, when we started, the US had about 123 deaths per million, about a quarter of where Belgium was at the time, one of the worst countries in Europe. Every week, those numbers have grown for all of the countries, but grown more rapidly on a percentage basis here in the States. Belgium has seen a 62% increase, whereas the US has well more than double and is approaching tripling during that time. One of the things that's worth paying attention to is if you look at the top 25 countries in the world, in terms of deaths per million, we saw a lot in Europe to begin with, but we're seeing an increasing number in North America, and now especially in South America, and to a lesser extent, the Middle East. Certainly something worth following over time. The reporting from Africa probably won't be as reliable in some countries, but we'll look to see what starts happening there as well. So we're still in the midst of a growing pandemic. It looks like the growth rate is slowing down, but the future is uncertain. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to try to find an answer for you. Thank you very much.